Hello student, my name is Subhash Sharma and today I will explain you about media preparation for the plant tissue culture. First of all, what is media? In simple term, media can be defined as an aqueous solution containing all the essential micronutrients, macronutrients, energy sources and growth regulator in proper concentration required for the proper growth of the plants or microorganisms. In case of plant tissue culture, most commonly used media is MS media or nourishing and speech media. This is the most commonly used media for the plant tissue culture. For plant tissue culture, various stock solutions containing different micronutrients and macronutrients are used. I will explain you the preparation of these stock solutions in the next video. In this video, I will explain you how much amount of these stock solutions are used for preparation of MS media. First of all, stock A. Stock A is used 100 ml per liter. And stock BC. I am saying BC because stock B and C contain the same elements, calcium nitrate. That's why I am saying it combined. It will be used 60 ml per liter. Stock D, it will be used 10 ml per liter. Stock E, it will be used 10 ml per liter. Stock F, 10 ml per liter. Stock G, 10 ml per liter. Stock H, 10 ml per liter. Energy source used is sucrose, which is used 30 gram per liter. And growth regulators. You might have studied in theory classes about growth regulators or plant hormones. These are the chemical substances which are required for the regulation of the growth of the plants. Different growth regulators are responsible for the growth of callus or shootlet in the plants. The mainly used growth regulators are auxin or cytokinin. You can use these for growth regulators. These are the synthetic forms of the auxin. NAA, IAA, IBA, N-acetyl acetic acid, indole 3 acetic acid, indole 3 butyric acid. All these are the synthetic forms of the auxins which we will use in the media preparation. And these are the synthetic forms of the cytokinin, DAP and kinetin. Different ratio of the auxin and cytokinin leads to the growth of the different growth pattern. Some will lead to the initiation of the callus, some will lead to the initiation of the shootlets. The concentration of these depends on our requirement of the plant or whatever we want to grow. So we will use either one of this portion and one of this portion. Either one of these auxin derivatives and one of these cytokinin derivatives. And agar is used 8 gram per liter. Agar is used to solidify the media. It will provide solid surface for the growth of the plants. And final pH which will be adjusted is 5.6 to 5.8. This is the pH range of the MS media. I will show you practically preparation of this media. So now I will show you how we will prepare the media. For preparation of media, we will take all the stock solution as per quantity I have already mentioned to you in a 1000 ml flask. The measurement in the flask are not accurate, so I have marked 1000 ml measurement with the help of measuring cylinder. And we will take all the stock solutions and sucrose and the growth regulators in it. And growth regulators I have used here are IBA and WAB 1 ml and 2 ml. The growth regulator will vary according to the plants. And then we will make up the volume slightly below the 1000 ml because we have to adjust its pH. And now we will adjust the pH using pH meter and with the help of one normal HCl and NaOH. So now we have adjusted its pH 5.6. Now we will make up the volume 1000 ml with the help of distilled water. And now we will put it on water bath for some time. We will put it in on hot plate for some time until it will become slightly hot. Now we will add 8 gram agar. And boil it on hot plate until all the agar gets completely dissolved. See, now all the agar have dissolved completely and solution has become transparent. Now we will pour it in the 250 ml capped bottles or conical flasks, 50-50 ml in each bottle, and then we will autoclave it at 121 degrees Celsius and 15 lbs psi pressure for 15 minutes. See, now I have poured all the media in capped bottles and placed them in autoclave for sterilization. After autoclaving, I will keep them in culture room for minimum 24 hours before the inoculation of explants in them. So that's all for now. Thank you.